Today I'm going to show you how to make a GAD-7 questionnaire which automatically calculates the score based on the selected answers. Before adding our questions and answers, we need to add our score tracking variable. We do this with a container variable which can store information that can be reused inside the template. To create a container variable, we right-click, select Variables, New Container. Now we name the variable and assign the initial score of 0. Now we need to create our first question. So we right-click, select Variables, New Fill-in. Now we name our variable and we want to display identical multiple options for each row, so we'll select Grid Variable. Enter the label which should appear in the questionnaire and define our first question, followed by our answers. We want each response to be on a separate line, so we click Separators and select the New Line option. Now let's add our remaining questions. So let's see what we've created so far. We see the questions displayed in a list, and for each one we have a set of predefined answers. Notice the score is still 0. Currently the score isn't changed when the selection changes. We need to use the update macro for that. So we double-click on the problems variable to view the variable properties. Click to edit our first answer. Right-click, select Data, Update Variable. We want to add 1 to the score value when this item is selected, so we click Increment and enter 1. Now we specify our score variable, Total. Notice Phrase Expander has added some parameters to our answer. This shows the update macro we created is using the increment function to increase the total variable by an increment of 1 if this answer is selected. Now we'll fast forward while I repeat this process for the other answers. And lastly, we can add some more context for the user. Now let's see what we created. Here we can see the selected items are displayed in the output, and our update macro is dynamically updating the score as we complete the form.